This is gonna blow your mind. Land is one of the most underrated investment opportunities out there. Investing in land is like planting a money tree. Unlike stocks that can crash overnight, or businesses that can go bankrupt, land is tangible and enduring. Here's the magic. Land is a finite resource. They aren't making any more of it. As populations grow, the demand for land skyrockets, driving up its value. Simple supply and demand. Now let's talk returns. Historically, land has shown a steady appreciation over time. It's less volatile than other investments, offering long-term security and peace of mind. And don't forget the flexibility. You can develop it, lease it, or just hold on to it while its value climbs. Plus, with smart investments, you can enjoy tax benefits and passive income. Picture this. You buy a piece of land today. In 10 years, that same land could be worth double or triple just by sitting there. So if you're looking for a smart, secure investment with high potential returns, land is the way to go. Get started on your journey to financial freedom today. Invest in land and watch your future grow.